How's it going, everyone? This is Daniel, and in this video, we are going to be talking about Tesla stock. We're going to go over a potential stock split announcement day that people are speculating about. We're also going to go over short-term price prediction and what to expect for Tesla stock moving forward. We're going to go over some of the dangers that we're facing right now, not only for Tesla stock, but the overall stock market. So we're going to cover all this important information in this video coming up. As you can see over here, we have Tesla stock that is slightly down the past 5 days. We have some new information that Elon Musk sold some of his shares on November 23. When you look at the SEC filings, he sold around 126, more than 126,000 shares on November 23rd. And when you look at Tesla's stock price, during that time it was hovering right around over here. We have some slight sell-off that happened. However, that was not the case that significantly dipped the Tesla stock price to go down lower on Friday. The overall stock market went down because of a new variant that came out of South Africa. When you look at the overall stock market, you can see the overall stock market was down except for some stay-at-home stocks like Netflix and some vaccine-producing stocks like Pfizer, which was up 6.11%, and Moderna, which is up 20%. So the main thing moving forward that we need to pay attention to is that this variant can potentially make the stock market to go down lower and lower. We still don't have enough information about what could potentially happen with this specific variant. All we know so far is that it can spread very fast, and also some of the vaccines that is currently produced by Pfizer and Moderna, they're not going to be able to provide protection for this type of variant. So far the governments in Europe and also in the US, they actually stopped some of their flights coming in from some of these affected countries like South Africa. However, the positive news that came out is that some of the vaccine producing companies, they stated that they could potentially be producing a different type of vaccine within a matter of 90 days. So that is definitely helpful. When you look at the overall stock market in general, we're still not sure exactly what to expect, especially for Monday, tomorrow, moving forward. We're unsure if the market is just going to brush off this news and we might see some massive buying coming in, because we have stocks that actually aggressively sold off, like Nvidia, Apple, Microsoft, even Tesla, that sold off drastically. So if we get some more positive news coming out Monday, we might see some massive green days coming in for these specific stocks that you see over here. But the most important thing moving forward for Tesla stock is that in December 9, people are speculating that there could potentially be a stock split coming up in December 9. Even if we see a continuation sell-off happening to the entire stock market, if we get an announcement from Tesla on December 9, Tesla would be one of the best stocks that could potentially outperform the rest of the stock market, with the exception of the stay-at-home stocks and some of the vaccine stocks. But most importantly, we need to really be careful speculating with this specific news because it's very speculative. There is no confirmed date. All of the thesis and some of the hypothesis that's presented by this specific split date is just based off of Elon Musk's tweets, adding, subtracting, dividing. They're doing a lot of things to make sure that they get 12/9, and to basically say 12/9 is going to be the date they're going to be announcing a stock split. But of course, if that happens, that is going to be fantastic. When you go over in detail, look at some of the theories that they came out with to get this 12/9 number. They basically went back to look at what Elon Musk has been saying in the past to figure out if we can get this 12/9 number. For example, as you can see over here, Elon Musk tweeted 129 orbit launches, and as you can see, the number 12/9 appears on his tweet. And we also have another tweet that they analyzed that Elon Musk tweeted about the 12 million pounds of thrust that lift off, while showing clearly the 9 middle thrusters. So we have the 12 and also the 9 number that appeared on that tweet. And we also can get this 12.9 number by subtracting, adding some of the important information that Elon Musk has tweeted in the past. And it's just really very speculative. But if this December 9, if Tesla confirms a stock split, that is going to be fantastic for the shareholders. We might potentially see a rally happening. Of course, there's not going to be any different happening with the fundamental of the company. It's just that there's going to be a lot of excitement and the stock price can go up. So that's going to be fantastic if this news comes out. This can definitely counteract what could potentially happen for Tesla stock in spite of what's going on with the overall sentiment of the entire stock market. But before we go and talk about exactly, what to look out for Tesla stock, short-term price predictions, some important levels, I would really appreciate it if you subscribe to the channel. We talk about Tesla stock every single video. Make sure you subscribe. We will have around 94% of people that watch the channel have not subscribed yet. So I really appreciate it if you subscribe and hit the like button, turn on the notification, so you will stay up to date on what is going on with Tesla stock every single day. So now let's go over and look at the technical analysis and figure out exactly what could potentially be happening based off of the price action that we're seeing on Tesla stock price chart. So we have two kind of price action that we can expect. We might see Tesla stock potentially pulling back all the way to $1,000 if we see a continuation fear in the overall market. The sentiment is very bad right now when it comes to this variant. If we see more of a continuation price action like that with the overall market, we might see Tesla stock pulling back all the way to $1,000. Not only that, we have Elon Musk that only has 54% of his shares sold, so he has a remaining of 46% that he has to unload in the market. So that is also another selling pressure to happen, and it's going to be a great buying opportunity for people that want to jump in Tesla stock if Tesla pulls back all the way to $1,000. So in the past, it tried to break down $1,000 several times, like 2 times. It went below to $987, but it quickly got bought back up super fast, and we saw some people aggressively buying Tesla stock when it dipped below $1,000. We might potentially see some kind of buying happening too if Tesla pulls back all the way to $1,000. Not only that, we're getting closer to the December 9 stock split date. People are very speculative about that date. They're anticipating for a potential stock split announcement based off of what they're looking at Elon Musk's tweets in the past, what he's been saying. And also in the past, Elon Musk was asked about a potential stock split. When is the right ideal time to do? He was asked, is it the right time to do Tesla stock split when Tesla stock was approaching $1,000? And he said not yet. So right now we're sitting at way above $1,000. And if this news breaks out in December 9, this could potentially make Tesla stock super bullish. In the short term, we might potentially go and make new all-time highs no matter what happens with the overall stock market, because this catalyst is massive for Tesla stock. The stock split is just very, very bullish for Tesla stock moving forward. So that's going to be the important price point that we need to be watching out for, and this important announcement we need to be watching out for Tesla is this announcement coming in December 9. So we're going to be staying up to date to figure out. So make sure you subscribe to the channel. I'm going to keep you up to date on if we can get this announcement or not. But short-term price prediction for Tesla stock, if we see the fear increase, if we see the sentiment of the overall stock market of actually aggressively selling off, we might potentially see Tesla stock trading at $1,000. And if things go worse, we might potentially go back to, we have a gap over here that could potentially fill. We might potentially go to around $900, which is going to be a fantastic buying opportunity for Tesla stock. So let me know in the comment section below, what do you think about Tesla stock? Is there a potential stock split announcement in December 9? And what are you going to do if Tesla stock breaks below $1,000? I know a lot of people are excited to buy Tesla stock at those price point levels. Let me know in the comment section below. I'd love to hear that. I really appreciate it also if you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the notification bell, and check out the links in the description box below if you want to get free stocks too. But I catch you guys on another video, and have a wonderful day.